Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Franklin, and in this very video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to create an ATM account in which you can be able to use in doing dollar arbitrage and multiple transactions on different platforms online. So for those of you who have been looking for ways to do arbitrage, this is another platform or account in which you can be able to create for yourself, in which you can be able to use in making payment, receiving payment, and also using it for different transactions online. If this is a video you've been looking for, you want to stick to the very end of this video so you don't miss any single part. If you're joining for the first time, my name is Kelechi Franklin, as I said earlier, and all you just need to do right now is to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing. I love you all, and I promise to keep on giving you educative content like this and all of that. So without wasting much time, let's get down to my laptop screen where I'll be able to show you how all of these things work, how you can be able to create it, how you can fund your account, and how you can get started using it on different platforms. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create all these accounts and how you can be able to fund it. That's what I'm going to show you in this particular video. So guys, ATM is a digital dollar account which allows you to move funds globally and do whatever thing you want. And the sweet part of it is that it gives you the opportunity to do peer-to-peer transaction. For those of you who know how Binance works, Binance also gives you the opportunity to do peer-to-peer transaction whereby a merchant can be able to sell crypto funds to you directly to your account without any interruption. This is the same thing this ATM also makes it unique, in which you can be able to transact with your local currency. For here in Nigeria, we use Naira. You can transact Naira in order for you to get dollars directly to your wallet. All this is what ATM gives you the opportunity to have. And as you can see here, ATM here are big partnership with many online companies like CoinDesk, Bloomberg, and many other platforms. And your account is protected. You don't need to get afraid. All you just need to do is to do the right thing in order for your account to be verified. So ATM gives you the opportunity to protect your money. You don't need to be afraid. And it also allows you to send crypto globally and also make and receive payment online and all of that. So for those of you who are into freelancing, who are looking for a payment system in which you can be able to use to receive your payment from the online platform in which you are doing, this account is good for you. So it's good to have variety. They say variety is a spice, in which you can be able to have other platforms in which you can use in receiving your fund and all of that. So in order for you to get started with ATM, all you just need to do is to come to this up button here, in which you see login, you see join. All you just need to do is to click on join. Once you click on the join button here, it will load up and it will take you to the very next page where you need to put in your information. Now it's providing us with the information where we need to put in the type of account we want to create. Either we want to create an individual account or we want to create a business account. Here we are creating an individual account. A business account is quite complicated, which will require you to start bringing some document about your company and all of that. So those of you who don't have a company, all of that. If I click on this, for instance, as you can see the information here, they say as a business, you will be required to submit a copy of your article in corporation, your tax identification number, your passport, your beneficiary, and 10% and all of that. All these are information in which you need to provide if you want to create a business account. But we are not creating a business account. We are going to create an individual account. That is what we need. And this is quite simple. All you just need to do right now is just to put in your country. Here I'm a Nigerian, so all I just need to type here is Nigeria, and my country will be visible here. And once I've been able to do that, they give me the option now to be able to sign up with my Facebook account or my Google account. You also have the option to use your email account in order for you to sign up. So right here, I'm going to be using my email account in order for me to sign up and also create a password for myself, and then put in my name and information that are required, and then I sign up. So let me do that right now in order for me to get started and all of that. So guys, after putting in my email account and my password which I have decided to create, the next thing I have to do is to come to this very next page here, or this outline, where I need to put in my first name and my last name. So I have to put in my first name and last name, which I've done right now. Then you see this option here telling you to put in your secondary last name. This is the name that can appear on your identification or your government identification number, whether your voter's card, international passport, national ID card, and all of that. So anyone in which your name appears there, if they can use in verifying your account, you can also decide to put it, what is optional. But here I'm not going to put it. I have the same name which I'm using right here. So the next thing is for me to verify by putting in this puzzle that is being created for me here. All I have to do is to drag this to this very space here. Once I've been able to do it, I will now click on confirm. So just ensure that it aligns together, and then you will see that your verification is successful. All you just do right now is to click on create account. So once I click on create account here, it will now take me to the very next page where it will now tell me to save this. Let me save it. It will not tell me to verify my email. I need to verify my email by clicking the link in my email account. So I'm going to do that right now. So guys, this is the email that have been sent to me by AirTM. All I have to do right now is to click on confirm email. Once I click on confirm email, it will take me to the next page where I just need to put in some information or details about myself. So I'm going to be putting this, and as you can see here, you say we're almost there. Please complete your profile to get started or start using AirTM. So all I have to do right now is to put in my first name, last name, as you can see here, secondary option, and I have to put in my address, in which is found in your national ID card or your international passport, that particular address that you have there, in order for your account to be verified effectively. So you need to just put this information as soon as you can. Let me just do that immediately. So guys, after I've been able to put in my residential address, my postal code, my phone number, my date of birth and everything, the next thing I have to do right now is to click on verify my phone number in order for my account to be created. So that's the next thing I'm going to create right now and to get started. So guys, after you've been able to put in your information, your postal code, your residential address, your state, and your date of birth and all of that, you see the aspect where they say put in your reference code, in which you can be able to put my reference code, in which is one way you can say thank you. All you just need to do is to put that information there, and then you click on verify phone to complete your profile. So that's what you click right now, which will bring you to this very page here. So all I have to do now is to select either to receive an SMS or to receive a WhatsApp message. So whichever one that you choose, which is your preference, you can choose. Here I'll select send me an SMS, and once I click on send me an SMS, a 6-digit code will be sent to me. All I just need to do is to put in that information on this particular area. So I'm going to do that right now. So guys, once you have been able to verify your phone number, all you just need to do is to go to the setting, in which will to bring you to the home page showing that your account has been created. Now once you are in the setting, all you just need to do is to verify your identification. Now you have the option to verify your username, email, and all of that to confirm that it's okay. Then you can also secure your account and all of that. Then if you come down to this aspect here, you see where it's telling you your local currency and all of that, and you have the option to put in your secondary email, which can be used in getting back your account or can be associated to your account. These are what you need to do. And another thing you need to do right now is to verify your account. Then all you just need to do is to go to verification aspect in order for you to verify your account so that you can start making transactions with it. So I'll click on the verification aspect. In this verification aspect, it is required that you put in an identification ID, in which can be able to use in identifying either your international passport, national ID card, and any other identification in which you have in order for you to get started. So all I have to do is to click on verify identity, and I will do that using my phone right now. So here it says that you should choose your document in which you need to use in verify your account. So I'll choose an identification card in which I will use. I don't want to use my passport. I want to use my local identification card in doing that, which is my national ID card. So I'll just click on Nigeria right here. I'll click on Nigeria. Then once I click on Nigeria, as you can see here, I will now go down below and click on submit document. So all I have to do is to take a picture of my identification ID and then upload it. So what I'll do right now, I'll use my phone in order for me to do this and continue. So I'll click on use my phone, and then once I click on use my phone, it will say get secure link in order for me to do that. Okay. Let me just click on it to show you guys how to do that. So once I've been able to do this, all I have to do is to use the QR code with my phone in order for me to scan and then come to this particular process. If you don't want to use the QR link, you can still come down here and then get a link via SMS. Once you click on get a link via SMS, it will bring out your number to send the link. All you just need to do is to send the link so that you can be able to use the link, tap on the link, and it will take you directly where you can be able to verify your link. So I'm going to do that immediately and get started. So guys, once you have been able to verify your account, you have done everything verification. All you just need to do is to go ahead to complete your account setup. First of all, by adding funds to your wallet and then verifying. Remember, I told you earlier you can be able to do a peer-to-peer transaction in which you can be able to sell your Nigerian naira to someone who needs US dollar. So when you're able to fund your account with naira, and with naira you can be able to acquire US dollar transaction. Let me show you how it works. All you just need to do is come to your home page. When you come to your home page, you will see where they say add fund, or you can click here. Wherever you click, all you just need to do is to click on add fund. Once you are able to click on add fund, you will be able to give the option for you to select your payment method in which you have in your account. Remember, when you are setting up your account or you are verifying your account, you see the option for you to be able to add your different bank accounts. So I've been able to add my bank account, which I added my Kuda bank account and my GTB bank account. So you have the option also to fund your wallet either by PayPal. You can also use Skrill, you can also use Payoneer, you can also use Bitcoin and other payment methods in which you can be able to use in order to fund your account. But I'm going to be using our Nigerian bank account in which I have added, and I'm going to be using my Guaranteed Trust bank account in which I'll be using right here to add my fund. And they're asking me how much do I want to fund my account with, and as you can see here, the minimum amount in which you can be able to add in order for you to get a US dollar is at least 198 naira 86 kobo. So I'm going to just add, for this tutorial, let me just use 2,000 naira for instance, so that you guys can be able to see how all of these things work. And this is the breakdown in which I'm going to be receiving 2.52 US dollar and all of that. So all I have to do right now is to come down here, look at how the calculation goes in order for me to see how my transaction is being done. All I have to do is to come here and click on continue, and they're giving me an information here that my account will be funded within 1 hour time frame. So as you can see here, they say average time to acceptance is 1 hour. So all I have to do is just to click on continue. Once I click on continue, to take me to the very next page where I have to submit my request. And as you can see here, all I have to do is to click on add new configuration, or I click on submit request. So I'll click on submit request, in which shows that I am ready to make this transaction. So guys, as you can see, all I have to do is to confirm the transaction, and immediately I just click on that. Individuals who are ready to sell their US dollar are available immediately. The pop-up chat came up here, and you can see here, this is Evangeline Chidima, in which is ready to sell this information. As you can see, more information are still coming in, showing that a lot of people are ready to do this transaction. All I have to do right now is to decide to go on this transaction. I can decide to just, all I have to do right now is to click on instruction to send fund. So all I have to do is to click on confirm, and as you can see here, they say instruction to send fund. I'll read on all of these things, and as you can see here, her information is here in order for me to send form to her. So I'm going to do the transaction out of this place with my GTB account to this her account in order for me to send information to her. So remember, when you want to buy US dollar, all you just need to do is you send a request. You see those individuals who are ready to buy this particular amount of money, who are online to buy this particular amount. So right now I'm going to send a fund to this particular account, which is Access Bank and all of that. So let me just do that right now. So guys, after I've been able to send the fund, all I have to do is to come here and say I've sent the fund, and I click on confirm sent, confirmation sent. And as you can see here, there's a transaction confirmation, and she will be able to receive the confirmation. All she needs to do is to send my US dollar to my account right now. So I'm waiting for the transaction to be completed so that I can be able to go ahead with whatever I want to use the money for. So this is how you can be able to do that, but then wait patiently as the transaction will be made immediately. So guys, as you can see right here, my account has been funded after waiting for just 5 minutes. So this transaction did not take any time like that. It just came into my account immediately after my transaction has been done, and she was able to release my fund. So this is how you can be able to fund your wallet. All you just need to do is to ensure that you have been able to do that. And as you can see, my transaction history here down below here, it says that she has been able to complete her transaction, which is true. As you can see here, she has been able to send for me 2.52 US dollar to my account. And this is how you can be able to do that. For those of you who want to save your money in US dollar, you can be able to do that, and you can go ahead to do that. So ensure that you have been able to do this and get started. So all you just need to do again in order for you to make more money on this particular platform is for you to invite your friends. If you have the opportunity to invite your friends or tell people about this particular platform, do that, and then you can be able to earn 1 USD from any particular person. So any user who is able to make at least $5 transaction on this particular platform, you earn at least $2 to $3 on this particular platform just for you inviting them. So this is how you can be able to do. So in order for you to get started, you can use the link in the description, which is my referral link. This is one way you can show your boys some love by using the link, so I can be able to gain from it too for just sharing this particular video. Probably in my subsequent video, I can be able to show you guys how you can be able to use this particular platform in order for you to do arbitrage and on other platforms. So if this is what you want to see, go to the comment section, type "I want it," and I will be able to do that particular video. If you got value from this video, don't forget to give this video a like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification so that YouTube will be able to notify you whenever I drop educative and informative videos like this. See you on my next video. Peace.